What's up, YouTube? Don Fron here. We are going to be breaking down the expected moves for the three major markets for this week, ending in December 17th. So we're talking about IWM, QQQ, and SPY. Their expected move for the week. We're going to chart them out here for you guys. Again, these are not support and resistance levels. I've been made fun of for that, jokingly, because you'll watch it get to these levels, and that's where that's where market makers need to do their job. They have everything hedged and accounted for up to these levels. So when we get outside these levels, that's where things could get spicy. So that's where you need to pay attention. If we get outside these levels, there's no time to mess around. Dot your I's, cross your T's. You need to have that plan because those moves could be pretty quick. So we're going to jump into the options chain. We're going to figure this all out. So this is IWM. All right, so we're actually expecting a $7.16 move for the week. So let's go to the daily here. So we're gonna grab our close. 7.16, not that bad. Not bad at all, actually. We could probably zoom in a little bit so people on the phone could see. You can see it's definitely not what it was. The past 2 weeks have been, well, we knew there was going to be a party, and they did not disappoint. So let's grab that. Yeah, so last 2 weeks, this is pretty typical, maybe a little bit quiet. I'd say between here and here, pretty average. Last 2 weeks, we were pricing in a party. So I'll save that here for you guys. All right, next up, QQQ. Now, like I said, not support and resistance levels, but we got outside that first one. And again, this is my number. This is not an actual stat I've looked up or anything, but I think about 80% of the time they rein it back in, we bring it back in, the fireworks are done. It's when we get outside and close, that's where things could get crazy. Are we going to start, do they need to become delta neutral? Is there going to be those delta or gamma squeezes? Are we going to run to the 2 standard deviations, or do we bring it back in and we close it right here, which looks like exactly what happened last week? That's your more typical play right there. So as far as the Qs go, tech, we pricing in a move or what? 973, a little bit quieter. All right, so let's go from here. It's quite a bit quieter. Which I'm definitely okay with. What I like is just normal movement, the typical bulls and bears argument, not get your party hats on or start worrying. With the VIX calming down, I think these are much better. These are much easier weeks to trade. Looking back at your trades, you got to question, was that me? Was that the market? Could I have avoided that, or was that really just the market going crazy? Last but not least, SPY, the mother of them all, got outside of it, even closed above it. Again, all jokes aside, these are not support and resistance lines. You will see some hesitation at these levels. Again, that's where all the big boys have their risk placed for that week. 849. So, as you can see, last 2 weeks, quite a bit crazy. The week before, you can call it the quiet before the storm. Again, not a quiet week, normal week. I'd say everything about this week looks fine. I'm actually bullish. What I'll be breaking down on my main channel, the Don Fron Show, is actually these futures contracts. We'll watch them open. I'm thinking bull flag setup, and we're green, and we're to the moon, hopefully. Anyway, that's what I'm watching. If you guys want to check out the actual show, that is my other YouTube channel, just Don Franz Show. Everything on this channel will be just clips, recorded stuff, trade recaps, stuff like that. This is where I will start doing the market's expected move every weekend. So if you like what we see here, just hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below what are some things you want to see, and I will get those videos out for you guys. I'll see you in the next video.